Hey guys, we have company. Those are our company. The birds in my backyard. I just dropped something in there, the leftover, and now they're here. We'll see how much or how long they're gonna be eating that food that I put in there. I know they're starving. They cannot get any bugs or any kind of food in the forest. So that's why they came over here on the housing or the where the people can drop them something to eat. Now they're here. Well, it's kind of nice seeing them. And I wonder where's the bad guy. You know the bad guy? The squirrel. We'll see if the bad guy is gonna come out here. So it's kind of bright, but it's still the birds are enjoying their meals. They're blackbirds. They're not the robins. They're not robins. They're blackbirds. So this is the vlog I had for today. So they're still kind of flying away. Get food and then go away. That's how they are. So we'll see on the, yep, they're right there somewhere. They're eating everywhere. Everybody have a bite or something. So maybe tomorrow I'll give them some more. It's good. Yep. Yeah, there have a lot of snow on the ground still. And no, they don't poop on my car. They're okay. They don't make a mess on my car. So they got most of the food I put in there. Didn't last that long. But they're gonna be there for a little bit more, I'm sure. Well folks, thank you for watching my video today. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and you'll see more video of these birds next time. Or maybe you can share. See right there? They kind of look like they're cool, doesn't it? They're all over on that roof right there. See? Yeah. Like I said, they don't get any food in the forest anymore. Because all the bugs and things like that, I don't know, they're hiding or something. Hide to find from this bird. So, right there. Like I said, the bad guy, the squirrel didn't come out. So, good. We'll be watching them until they're all gone. Yeah. Lot of birds. Scary. Just remind just remember when I was a young boy, we go to the mountain and just using a slingshot to catch birds. Yeah. They're done. I think they got something to eat for today. We give them a share, or I give my share. They're all over now. Okay. They're vegan. See? They're all over in that roof right there. Okay, I think they have enough for today. Or maybe it's not enough the food I put in there. Maybe next time I will put more. I will give them some more. See? Now one by one they're vegan. Yep, still have some snow on the ground. Alright. Now they're right there. All over on that roof right there. Alright folks. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. So now they're all gone. They're all right there. Alright. Now they're gonna fly away and go to other people's backyard. Alright folks. I will see you again next time. Wait for the bad guy or the squirrel to come out. And I will put some more peanuts out there while the snow are still on the ground. Alright then. Bye bye for now. Goodbye.